Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been long. Yeah, we have been coping up with COVID-19, lockdown, and a lot of things. So I'm pretty much excited. I'm making a comeback on my channel, and I can't wait to post new videos for you guys. And yes, starting off with a new beginning, you can say. And today is also very special because today is our anniversary, mine and Srikant's. It's the 4th anniversary and we are pretty much excited. Just took a shower and I'm feeling good, and we packed our bag. We are going somewhere and it's a surprise. Not really, but yes, we can't move around. The restrictions are there, so we can't go roam around everywhere. So we are going somewhere which is quite hygienic, and I have heard a lot, and it has always been in my bucket list to just rejuvenate and soaked in the nature. So you will get to know where we are going, and right now we will cut the cake. Yeah, see you in a while. Hi guys, so right now we just had a little bit of tea and a little bit of breakfast. There are not really proper stalls out here, so we are going to the Machan. We are traveling, it's a long bike ride. It's wonderful, every time I went to Lonavala by car, but this time we are going by bike, and the experience is completely different and much more thrilling and adventurous. I'll get back to you once we reach there, and I'll show you around. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, we have reached the location, and we are going at the reception.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Hi, welcome. So we just reached the Machan, and here's the room, and I'll give you a room tour very quickly, okay? Come. So first you walk in, and here is the reading space. Is here. There are little notepads, pen, and little more details about Machan and things you can do it yourself for a spa or something. Yoga station is there, de-stress and yoga. So as you walk in, here is your closet, little closet area with a safe, Then their staircase will go upstairs later. Then here you can place anything. They have put a decor over here. And walk in. Here is the seating place. Here is a sofa. Yay! So here's the sofa. Then once you walk in, here is your fucking bed. Then there is a mini bar. There's opener. There's mini fridge as well. Stocked. Then tea, coffee, water, whatever you want, you can make yourself a hot cup of coffee. Then, as you walk outdoor, oh my god. Here is your deck area. There's a hammock, guys. And then there's like, a mini sitting area at the deck. You can have your breakfast and all that stuff. And then there is an open bathtub. I can't wait to jump in right here. It's open to sky. And yes, you can't miss this mesmerizing view. Oh my god. So mesmerizing, so rejuvenating, and all these 8 months we have been staying at home. Totally worth it, guys. So yeah, let's get into the second floor. There's another guest bedroom. Washroom. There's the towel rack, sink, tissue towel, toiletries, toilets, pee. Then once you walk in, it's a wooden floor again, and it's an open shower. I even feel like you're having a bath in the rain. Literally, this is so nice. Again, there's toiletries, and all the products are from Kama Ayurveda. So yeah, it's really good as well. Here is the door. So let's go upstairs. The best thing is that you feel the cabin vibe, the close to nature vibe, because everything is wooden. So here is a guest bedroom where if you are coming with along your friends or family, you can have, like, you can see, you can have and chill over here. AC is there, side table is there. Yeah, basic necessities. And there's a sliding door which opens to your personal pee area. There's rain shower as well. Toiletries from Kama Ayurveda. And yeah, again, PP seat, sink, toiletries. Yeah, that's it. Now we will have lunch and we'll freshen up, and I'll get back to you guys soon.